Hi, this is Matt from funeraltemplates.com with a quick tutorial on how to add your own photos to your funeral program templates. Once you've purchased the template and downloaded it, you can open it in Microsoft Word and begin editing straight away. I'm using the classic 4-page funeral program, and you can begin by clicking on the right hand side, which is the front of the program, and selecting the photo you want to change. Right click on the photo, select Change Picture, select the picture you want to change it to and click Insert. If you want to change this photo that you've now edited, for example make it smaller, just drag it in the corner or make it larger. You can also crop the image if you wish. Under Picture Format, select the Crop button, drag in from the side like that for example, and click away. The photo will automatically center itself like this. You can use the same technique for portrait as well as landscape photos. Simply right click, change picture, select the portrait photo that you want to use, and again it will resize it and center the photo automatically for you. Finally, if you want to use a slightly different method of changing the photo, you can. Simply select it, click Delete, click Insert Picture from File, and you can select the picture that way. To buy this funeral program template, click the link in the description below this video, or go to funeraltemplates.com for many different designs.